Now let's sew and assemble the elephants. First, take the elephant. Align every 2 stitches. After aligning, sewing once. After sewing once, find the center position between the 2 cheeks. Approximately this position. Then sew the nose onto this position. After sewing, insert the needle into any position. Tie a knot here. This stitch. Insert the needle from the adjacent stitches and pull through. Pass through the loop and pull tight. Wrap it around twice like this. It becomes this. Then pull it to the bottom. Hold it and pull. A knot is tied here. Insert the needle from underneath this knot to any stitches. Pull through. Pull the knots inside. It's hidden. Then cut. This is the elephant's trunk. Next are the elephant's ears. The position of the ears. The inner ear is on the outside, approximately the positions on both sides. You can directly use this yarn to sew. Or you can directly use a glue stick. For example, after finding the right position, at this connecting part, you can apply glue and stick it directly here. It will be more convenient. If you sew, it's the same. Just insert the needle here, then here and here. After sewing a few stitches here, it's the same. Poke the needle to the back. The position of the ear. Insert the needle here. Continue to bring the needle from the back to the front. First, secure the position. Keep sewing like this. After sewing, tie a knot. Here, I'll just use the glue stick to attach. If using the glue stick, take the remaining yarn tail and hide it. Just hide it inside. Like this. Adjust the position. Then on this. Press it down and it's done. This side is the corresponding position. After finding the right spot, apply glue. Pinch it. Use a piece of black yarn. Pull out one strand, then this strand. First, find the eye positions. Leave about a 2-stitch gap on each side of the nose. Also leaves a 2-stitch gap above, approximately this position. If the eyes are glued at this position, then from next to it, next to this, like this. First, find the eye positions. 1, 2, 1, 2. At this position. Apply a little bit of glue and stick it. Same on this side. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then here. After attaching them, embroider the eyebrows on top. Insert the needle from the bottom. Left a little tail below the eyebrow. The eyebrow is slanted like this. Slanted, then come over here. Like this. This side is also slanted like this. You can compare like this. Insert the needle here. To insert the needle, go directly back to the insertion point. Don't pull the yarn too tight. Then tie a knot. Leave a little tail. Tuck it in. The elephant is finished. It's the same. Use the remaining yarn to sew. On top of this, you can also directly use a glue stick to glue it on. Everyone can do it however you like. Here, I'll just sew it directly. Glue it directly. Just find the center position. Then apply glue to the bottom. Find the center and press. Press for a few seconds. Then cut a piece of yarn like this for the top of the head. Fold it like this. After folding, insert it at the very center. Pull it through. After pulling through, tie a knot. Leave a little bit. Separate the strands. This is the hair. Then take out the lace collar. Put it directly around the neck. Fasten it at the back. It's finished. Now let's assemble the rabbit. The rabbit is also relatively simple. Just 2 ears. Find the center for both ears, then go outward. 1, 2, 3. The middle position between the third and fourth rounds, or between the fourth and fifth rounds, either is fine. Then sew like this. Sewed onto the side of the cheek. If you don't want to sew, you can also directly apply glue to the bottom. Then insert the needle back. Pull tight like this. One more stitch at the back. Insert into the back stitch, sewing correspondingly. Sewing about 2 or 3 stitches is enough. Last stitch. After tying, insert the needle, then bring it to the back. Leave this yarn for now. Then the other ear. One, two, three, 4. At this position. For both sides, you need to align them slightly. Like this. Align the position. After aligning the position, then sewing. This is sewing from the last stitch forward. Also, sew stitches to stitches. Second stitch. Turn, last stitch. After sewing the last stitches, insert the needle into this same stitch. The rabbit's 2 ears. This one is a little crooked. Then tie a knot at the back. Pull a little tighter. After tying the knot, leave a little tail and cut. Tuck it in. These 2 rabbit ears. This one is a bit crooked. You can use glue to fix it again. Take out the red yarn. At the center of the 2 cheeks. This center position. Directly find this center position. Leave a little yarn here. First, sew a vertical line, then horizontally. 1, 2, 3. First hole, second hole, third hole, spanning 3 holes. Sewing a horizontal line. This is a small nose. Tie a knot. Tuck it in. Then take out the eyes. Next to the nose, above it. Or a little to the side, or a little higher. It depends on where you like it. Here, it's 2 stitches next to the nose, then 1 stitch above. This position. Apply a little bit of glue. This little rabbit is finished. The sewing below is the same. Then assemble the koalas. Take out the koala's ears and nose. First, find the ear positions. This position. On the top of the head, starting from round 3. 1, 2. Starting from round 3, sew it on like this. You can also just apply glue directly at this position. When applying glue, be sure to hide the yarn tail. Here, I'll just apply glue directly. This side. Just a little bit of glue is enough. Press for a few seconds and it's done. Same for this side. Like this. Find the corresponding position. The position is symmetrical to this side, approximately here. That's it! This black piece is his nose. This bulging side is the wrong side. Place it on top like this.